thunderstorm warning for eastern Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, western Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northeastern Matrix County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma until 2:45 a.m. At 1:54 a.m., the fear thunderstorms extended from Driftwood near Carmen to 6 miles west of Orienta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following accidental damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Alva, Cherokee, Helena, Ringwood, Carmen, Wakita, Cleo Springs, Goltry, Meno, Aline, Nash, Burlington, Dacoma, Manchester, Orienta, Orienta, and Great Salt Springs Lake.